We are trying to find the price of one roll of tape. All right, what's given is this information. The total cost of one paintbrush. I'm going to let P be the cost of one paintbrush, the letter P, and I'm going to let T be the cost of one roll of tape. So the total cost of one paintbrush, so one paintbrush, 1 times P, you leave the 1 off, plus 2 rolls of tape, 2 times the cost of one roll of tape, is means equal $6.25. So P plus 2T equals $6.25. And we're trying to find T. Let's look at clue 1. The price of one paintbrush is P equals 3 times the price of one roll of tape. So 3 times T. Well, that clue works because we have this equation. We can use this equation all the time because that was in the given information. And if you take 3T, I think my microphone cut off for a minute. If you take 3T and substitute in for P in this equation, you have 3T plus 2T equals 625, and you could solve for T. And that's what you're trying to find, the price of one roll of tape. So clue 1 works. Clue 2, the total cost of 6 rolls of tape, so 6T plus 3 paintbrushes, 3P, equals $18.75. And you might be thinking, well, great, I've got this equation and this equation. Now remember, you forgot about clue 1. When you went to clue 2, you forgot about clue 1. But if you look closely at this equation, you see there's a common factor of 3 in every term. And if you divide everything by 3, you get 2T plus P equals 625. And that's the same equation as you're given here. And with this equation, P plus 2T equals 625, we can't figure out the price of a roll of tape. So the only clue that worked was 1, which means your answer is A. Only clue 1 works.